Candy Cane Cancel with Expert Village. So in this clip we're going to go ahead and take our luggage tag pattern and cut it out of the fabric. So the first thing you want to do is lay out your fabric, and we're going to be cutting one out of the lining and one out of the fabric. And then just go ahead and cut it out. Okay, and once you have your pattern pieces cut out, the next step is to cut out a business card size little window out of the clear vinyl. And what you're going to do is put a business card on it, and actually you'll be cutting out about 1/2 inch around it because you want to have room to be able to slide it in and out. So you could just hold it. You don't really want to pin clear vinyl too much because you'll get holes that will show through. Go ahead and trim it. Just want to get it as straight as you can. And the next step is actually stitching it together.